What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Social Security. I'm back here with another video, dog. Now today, bro, we got something new on the channel. First Durango on the channel ever in history, dog. Make sure you sub, like, and share. But before we get into the truck, that's about for y'all to meet, man. Meet my boy D. What's going on, y'all?
What the hell? Oh my God!
All right, so like when I introduce you, you should be like, "What's up?" And then shout out your business too, like everything that you do.
What's going on? My name D. Follow me on Instagram at rt.d. I got a business account. If you want your car wrapped, come fuck with me at Palm City Customs with a Z.
All right, dog. Make sure y'all go do that, man. Go give him a follow on both of his pages. Yeah, man. Let's get to this damn interview. All right. First question, bro. What's the pros and cons? Pros and cons. Fuck. Pros and cons owning a Dodge Durango RT.
Pros is big, loud, look good. It's a little fast. And the cons is just too loud. You can't sneak nowhere with it. And you can fit hella people in here. 8 people if you want.
Trucks.
Yeah.
What kind of trucks?
I can see the trips. Palm Beach, Orlando, those type of trips.
All right. Second question, bro. What's one thing you love about the car? What's one thing you hate?
I love that it got space. Like, it's big. You know, it ain't no small. It ain't, you know, you got space to do what you gotta do. What I don't like about it is, it ain't nothing that I don't like about the car, for real. Okay, what I can say I don't like about the car is the seats. I wish they was all leather. Instead of leather on the outside and cutting on the middle, you feel me? I wish they was all leather. But that's, new seats coming soon, for sure.
Next question is, what future miles you plan on getting down to your truck?
Wrapping it for sure. Get a new hood. Later on down the line, probably swap it.
6'2", 6'4"?
I don't know. I want to go 6'4".
Okay.
I want to put a 6'4".
Shit, they don't run. They ain't that pricey either.
Nah, they not. For the training and for the motor, I can get a good deal.
For sure. Next question. I'm pretty sure even like everybody watching this want to know what's the craziest thing that happened with you with the truck.
See, this is an all-wheel drive.
Oh shit.
So all the tires gonna go bald together, not just the back. So all my tires were bald at one point, and they were raining, and I was trying to slide next to it. I think it was a scat or something. I was trying to slide next to it. I lost control of that bitch, just started fishtailing. Then I ended up getting right. That was probably the craziest thing that happened to me.
But I guarantee that ride home was quiet.
Oh yeah, dude, I ain't gonna lie. Heart beating out my chest. I'm like, man, I ain't doing this shit no more.
Next question, bro. What advice would you give to people that's chasing after like that dream vehicle?
Just work hard. Don't overdo it. Don't try to do something that's gonna get you in a bad position to trying to get what you want.
Y'all know what he mean. Yeah, y'all niggas know exactly what he mean.
Yeah. Just be yourself. Work hard. Get your money up. Go get you one of these. If not, get you some new shit if you got the bread for it. And if you don't get one of these, then just build it. Build it. That's what I'm doing right now. Build it.
Next question, bro. I know like in the car community, everybody's different. Everybody's different with it. Some people like their shit already built, and some people like it like the build. Like, which one would you
At first, everybody opted want their car built already. I wanted my shit built, but then I got on YouTube, watching all these people just building it, getting it to where they wanted at. So I was like, all right, yeah, I'm gonna get it to where I wanted at. Change the looks of it, change how it sounds, how it rides. I'd rather build it, because I know what's in it for sure.
Okay.
I'd rather know what's in it than already having it being built. Then you do something like this and they ask you what you got in your car, you don't even know.
Next question. What modifications have you done to your car so far?
Nothing really. I just got the exhaust cut. I got 5-inch tips on it. I got my calipers dead. My windows tinted. I wrapped my hood. I added my starlight. I added the starlights to it. You getting it tuned them up?
Yeah.
Oh, then I just got it tuned.
Of course.
I just got it tuned. I got a bubble tune. It ain't fast yet. It just sounds good.
And please, bro, everybody out there, bro, do what you like. Please don't do shit just to try to fit in because everybody else think, bro. Build shit to how you would like your car, bro. If you gotta start from bottom up with it. Everybody not gonna start at the top with the shit.
Hold on, let me add a con though.
What's up?
Polices gonna be on your ass like any little thing. Tents. Car too loud and music, bro. Music. Man, I got a fat ass ticket for playing music loud.
Right, I pulled up with side troll blast music, bitch. They ain't no fuck. They just.
Police told me they heard my music 40 yards away.
Next question, bro. What's the fastest car you done race so far?
I think it was a fucking BMW, bro.
Why the fuck you racing BMW? What, M3?
It didn't look like it, bro.
M series? It was an M series?
M4, fam.
M4.
I didn't know what it was at first. Cause I was on the highway. I'm lying. It wasn't. No, it wasn't. I got the video. It was a
340 or some
no,
shit?
it was a truck, fam. A single cab truck. I got the video. I'll show you. I'll show you right
What,
now. Supercharged.
F-150?
Old ass box Ford. I'm talking about bro. That I don't know what he had done to that truck. It looked good. Had some rims on it. I'm thinking it's just a show car. That nigga stuck in that car. You gonna take a Hellcat them fast? That nigga left.
Last question I got for you, bro. What is your daily drive? Like, what motivates you every day to keep going, bro?
I just like money, bro. Yeah, you gonna have your times where you know you low sometimes, but have something planned. Like right now, all I do is rap cars, rap trucks. Got a different car every other day.
That's what it's all about, bro. Find something that you love to do, go hard at it, bro. I mean, shit don't happen overnight, so a couple years go by and then keep going.
This rapping shit wasn't planned. We did one truck. We did Young Dog Cameraman, my homeboy truck.
And it kicked off from there.
We didn't think we was going until we posted it. He reposted it. We got hella people that came and hit us up. Now we got hella shit lined up right now. Best raps in Black Days. Best raps in Palm Beach County. Come get at me.
Yeah, we do that for sure. Fuck! My shit ass. The dope speakers ass. I mean, I got bass, but quality of the fucking audio is ass.
Just put a 15 in your car. A little car with big ass 15. Big ass from a mile away.
I was thinking about doing that, but I was like, what, 212s make a difference? Like, that kind of be like the same shit, won't it?
It'll be the same, but you'll just have a deeper bass. Deeper bass with that 15. You'll feel it.
Okay.
You'll feel it. But the 12, the 10, the 12, the 15, just all about feeling it and the vibration of it. This is from what I feel like.
You feeling it?
You know what I mean?
But yeah, man, that's really it. That's all the questions I got for you today, bro. If y'all enjoyed the video, sub, like, and share. Go get my dog follow. Follow him on both his pages, bro.
Yeah. And RT.D and my rap page, Palm City Customs with a Z.
And I'll see y'all boys in the next video.